welcome to the second episode of the maiden edition of Elomaths quiz competition. Once again, we say in Elomaths, our system will always blow your mind in the world of mathematics. As part of efforts to add up to the mathematics education in Ghana, we in Elomaths present to you a fantastic display of mental arithmetic as well as logical reasoning by our system of things. Elomaths is designed for children right from KG2 all the way to grade 7. If you're watching this particular program from the comfort of your home, kindly call a friend to call another friend to get seated and watch your favorite program for the day. Let's go for a break. When we bounce back, we get to know who our contestant for the day is. Welcome back from the break. My name is A.O. I'll be your quiz master for today. Right about now, we are about to get closer to our contestant for the day. And for us to know who he really is, let's take a look at this and what he has for all of us. We'll be right back.
My name is Stefan Canton. I'm 12 years old. I attend the Royal School and I want to become an accountant in future. I like money, pa. I just don't like it. I respect it. I like to examine the practicality of a business and design the action plans. As an accountant, your money is safe with me. Elomaths has given me that much confidence I need. I'm here to have fun with maths and win. Thank you.
We now know the name and a few details about our first contestant or our contestant for today. Now, he's right here with us, so he will tell us a bit about himself. Stefan, I learned you like money, pa. Yes. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you ready for today's show?
Yes, please.
Are you ready for the competition?
Yes.
And you think you'll be able to impress everybody?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen out there, this competition or this particular program is the Elomaths 120 seconds challenge. Stefan here will be asked 15 questions and you'll be expected to answer these questions within 120 seconds. This program is supported by Precious Heart Montessori School located at Oyibi. At Precious Heart, we see love in hearts, knowledge in mind. We are also supported by Doman's Food. Doman's Food specializes in yummy and delicious donuts, dough burgers, and all kinds of pastries, perfect for all occasions such as weddings, parties, outdoorings, and corporate gathering. You can locate them at East Legon, Dansoma, Atadoku Road, and Tema. You can contact them on 0240-298-271. We are then also supported by iAprep, a learning app that will allow you to also learn the local languages from the comfort of your home. Just go to Google Play Store and download the app today and sign your child on this program. We are about to start with round 1. And in round 1, I have sets of questions over here, and you are to select one from these papers.
Orange.
Orange. So he wants orange. Stefan has selected the orange option, meaning that I'm going to administer the orange set of questions to Stefan. He'll be expected to answer all these questions within 120 seconds. Stefan, are you ready?
Yes.
Get set. Flip. Double 800. Subtract 400 from the result. Then divide by 10. Answer?
120.
120 is correct. Half 200. Add 60 to the result. And multiply by the entire result by 3. Answer?
Skip.
Okay, I'll skip. Double 80. Add 40 to the result. Then multiply by 5. Answer?
1000.
1000 is correct. Subtract 18 from 20. Multiply the result by 9. Double the result. And add 110. Answer?
146.
146 is correct. Double 220. Add 60 to the result and divide by 10. Answer?
50.
50 is correct. Sum up the following numbers. 0.8, 2.5, 0.2, 2.5. Answer?
6.
6 is correct. Solve 0.05 plus 0.07 plus 0.05.
0.17.
That is correct. Calculate 0.05 plus 0.06 plus 0.04.
0.15.
0.15 is correct. Simplify minus 3m plus 8m minus 8n.
5m minus 8n.
That is correct. Simplify minus 3x minus 4x minus 6y.
Minus 7x minus 6y.
That is correct. Sum up 868 and 60.
928.
That is correct. Find the difference between 526 and 87.
439.
439 is correct. Next, Kwame received 414x, 96x, 7x from his suppliers, but broke 6 of the eggs. How many eggs was he left with?
516 eggs.
What?
516 eggs.
516 is incorrect. 600, calculate 687 minus 9 minus 70 plus 98. Answer.
706.
706 is correct. Add 300.
810.
Okay, I'll allow that. Please, let's give you a round of applause. Let's go for a quick commercial break. When we bounce back, we go for the result for Stefan. We are welcome back from the break. At the end of round 1, this is how the score stands. Stefan had 65 points. Let's give him a round of applause. He has done very well. He has done very, very well. Fantastic display by Stefan over here. If you also want your child to also achieve the same result, then kindly call the number on your screen. We'll be glad to work hand in hand with you if you're parents or you're a school out there. Don't forget this program is supported by Doman's Food, specialized in yummy and delicious donuts, dough burgers, and all kinds of pastries, perfect for all occasions such as wedding parties, outdoorings, and any corporate gathering. They are located at East Legon, Dansoma, Atadoku Road, and Tema. You can contact them on 024-029-8271. Doman's Food, donuts the way you like it. We're also supported by Precious Heart Montessori School for the best Montessori education in UB and its environs, leading to excellent academic performance and top-notch care. Look no further than Precious Heart Montessori. At Precious Heart, we say love in heart, knowledge in mind. iAprep is a learning app which gives children the opportunity to learn their local languages. Over here, if you also want your child to learn the local language and be so abreast with it, then please go to Play Store or just pick your phone, go to Play Store and download the app and sign your child on iAprep program. Right about now, we are about to move to round 2. In round 2, Stefan, our future accountant, will now be tested through the process of multiplication and its application questions over here. So Stefan will now be allowed to select one of these questions that I have with me.
Red.
Red, okay. So Stefan will be expected to answer 15 questions within 120 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, you can also pick your calculators from the comfort of your homes and also try alongside with us. Are you ready? How many liters of petrol will be needed to fill 6 gallons of 5.550 liters each?
33 liters.
33, that is correct. What is the cost of 120 books at 35 Ghana cedi each?
4,200 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. Amma was given 3 Ghana cedi, 50 pesos for 60 days. What is the total money received at the end of
210 Ghana cedis.
210 Ghana cedi is correct. Solve 0.3 times 0.07.
0.021. 0.021.
That is correct. Simplify or solve 0.02 times 0.3.
0.06.
0.006. 0.006. That's correct. The cost of buying 1 box of pencil is 15 Ghana cedis. How much would you pay for buying 120 boxes?
1,800 Ghana cedis.
1,800 Ghana cedis is correct. Calculate 6 times 9 plus 50.
104.
104 is correct. What is the sum of 7 groups of 5 mangoes and 9 mangoes?
44 mangoes.
What is it?
44 mangoes.
44 mangoes is correct. Find the product of 16 and 6.
96.
96 is correct. Calculate 100 minus into bracket 7 times 7 bracket close.
51.
51 is correct. What is the total cost of buying school kit for 10 students at 30 Ghana cedi per student plus 50 Ghana cedi for a dictionary?
50 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. The cost of renting a bus for a picnic is 50 cedis for the first day plus 20 for the extra day. Calculate the total cost of renting a bus for 5 days.
130 Ghana cedis.
130 Ghana cedis is correct. Solve 40 times into bracket 10 minus 5 bracket close times 2.
400.
400 is correct. Multiply 17 by 7.
119.
119 is correct. What is the difference between 3 times 11 and 7?
26.
26 is correct. Let's give him a round of applause. Fantastic display by Stefan, our future accountant. Ladies and gentlemen out there, if you want your children or your child to enroll on this program, kindly call the number on your screen. We'll go for a break. When we bounce back, we get to know what is called STEM. This is a fantastic display by Stefan. At the end of round 2, Stefan had 75 points. Let's give him a round of applause. We are now moving on to round 3. Round 3 is a general question for Stefan, and he'll be expected to answer 15 questions within 120 seconds one more time. So kindly choose one of the papers.
Light green.
Light green. This is made possible only in Elomaths. Get set. Minus 18 is greater than minus 17. True or false?
False.
False is correct. 8,348 is a multiple of 4. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Subtract 14y squared from 9y squared.
Minus 5y squared.
That is correct. Calculate the difference between 12 squared and 8 squared.
80.
80 is correct. Which of these numbers are divisible by 6?
48 and 240.
What is it?
48 and 240.
That is correct. If your number is divisible by 2 and 5, it is divisible by 7. Yes or no?
No.
No is correct. If a number is divisible by 10, it is divisible by 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes is correct. Round 57.383 to the nearest 10.
57.4.
57.4 is correct. Round 7,760 to the nearest 100.
7,800.
7,800 is correct. If a triangle has the following sides: 1.8 meters, 0.7 meters, 0.2 meters, find its perimeter.
2.7 meters.
2.7 meters is correct. A rectangular farmland measures 140 kilometers and 140 kilometers long and 70 kilometers wide. Find its area.
9,800 kilometers squared.
That is correct. A rectangle, parallelogram, square, rhombus, trapezium are names of plane shapes. Name one word that describes them.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilaterals are correct. Quadrilateral is correct. So find the perimeter of an irregular quadrilateral with the following sides: 3x centimeters, 5y centimeters, 5x centimeters, 2y centimeters.
8x centimeters plus 7y centimeters.
That is excellent. Express these digits as they are being arranged over here. 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 1, 4, 0, 2.
7,285,631,361,402.
That is correct. Which digit in 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 1, 4, 0, 2 is in the hundreds of million place? 2 is correct. Let's give him a round of applause. He has done very well. This is only made possible in Elomaths. In Elomaths, we say hello to maths, because maths or mathematics becomes a household name and a friend to us. Let's go for a break. When we bounce back, we get to know how the scores stand. You're welcome back from the break. At the end of round 3, this is how the scores stand. Stefan had 75 points. Let's give him a round of applause. Yes, fantastic display over here, and this is made possible by Elomaths. We are supported by IAPrep, a local language app, Precious Heart Montessori School, Love in Heart, Knowledge in Mind, and then Dolman's Food, specialized in yummy and delicious donuts. Now we are about to move to round 4. He will be expected to answer a logical question. He needs to think through the question in the form of a story problem, dissect it, understand the pieces, put them together, and be able to give us the final result. So you do his presentation whilst he comes here to pick his question. Stefan, step forward and then pick one question from this container, which will then be administered to you as your question for round 4. So now your question, and ladies and gentlemen out there, you can also do the same. When you finish, you can show it to mommy or daddy. Alma has a basket of fruits for a fruit day at school. How many pieces of fruit is she taking if there are, first, twice as many mangoes as oranges? Second, if there are 2 pineapples. And third, the same number of oranges as pineapples. You have to find how many pieces of fruits are there in total.
You have to find the number of every fruit that is in the basket. And to find, they have already given you pineapple. You have to find mangoes and orange. They said that the orange is the same number as pineapples, and the pineapples are 2, which tells you that the oranges are also 2. Now, to find the mangoes, they said that there are 2 times as oranges as mangoes. That means you have to double the number of mangoes, the number of oranges to find mangoes. So the number of mangoes, so if you double 2, you get 4. Now to find the number of fruits in the basket, you have to add the mangoes and the oranges and pineapples. The mangoes are 4, the oranges are 2, and the pineapples are also 2. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So in total there are 8 fruits in the basket.
8 fruits in the basket is correct. 8 fruits in the basket is correct. Yes, this is made possible only in Elomaths. Critical thinking and fantastic display of mental arithmetic over here. At the end of round 4, Stefan answered his question and scored 10 points. And the sum total for round 1 all the way to round 4 gives us a total of 225 points. Let's give him a round of applause. He has really done well. Let me get closer to my contestant and then find out how he is feeling as a future accountant. Stefan, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good. That is great. That is great. That is great. Yes, Stefan is feeling good. And how, having been on Elomaths program for some time, how is it helping you in your class activities?
It's helping me do better in my classwork and my homework, and I'm able to do better in my exams and tests.
That's very great. That's very great. And this is only made possible in Elomaths. Let us not forget that we are supported by IAPrep, a learning app which gives children the opportunity to learn their local language such as Ewe, Chi, Gan, Dangbe, etc. Go to Google Play Store and download the app and then sign on to the program. We are also supported by Domans, who specialize in yummy and delicious donuts, dough burgers, and all kinds of pastries. They are located at East Legon, Dansoma, Ata, Ado Road, and Tema. You can contact them on 0240298271. Domans Food, donuts the way you like it. Precious Heart Montessori is located at Oyibi, the best Montessori education in Oyibi and its environs, leading to excellent academic performance and top-notch care. Look no further than Precious Heart Montessori. At Precious Heart, we say love in heart, knowledge in mind. Right about now, you have had a feel of Elomaths right from last week and then this week. You have seen it all for yourself. If you want your child to be part of us, parents, schools, kindly call the number on the screen, because Elomaths make mathematics as easy as anything. It becomes a life with which we live. At Elomaths, we say hello to maths. And with my audience, we have one greetings for you. Elomaths, hello to maths. See you next week.